Hey guys, the RC Bus. We're doing another altitude test with 2 new additions. This one and this one. They're called the
green one.
This is
and the Nerf Strike.
Yeah, the Nerf Strike and a green one.
Green single shot.
That's not made by Nerf.
And then also new to the altitude test is the basketball shooter.
Oh, and also this one. We have 3 new additions.
Adventure Force.
Not made by Nerf, but it's really good.
Yep.
You better see how far it goes. Right. First one up is the little one. It doesn't really matter what it's doing.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Not bad.
It's in first so far. Now the Minecraft in here form.
Ooh, wow. Much better.
Let me actually. But we're not even getting started. We still
Ooh, didn't go over. Was that better than the last one?
I don't know.
Oh no, I don't think it was.
Then we have this one.
Okay.
I don't know what it's called. It's not made by Nerf.
Yeah, just a generic. That might be last. Second to last.
Yes, it's second to last. Then we have this Nerf Strike.
The new guy.
This is my first one that actually holds bullets like this.
Got a clip in the front. Whoa! Okay.
That's the highest one, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Here comes my big one. Ready?
Yep. Oh.
What was that?
I'm gonna try again.
Is that it first?
I think that one's still second.
I don't know what happened right there. But like, like so, surprisingly, this is called second today.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
That's it better, right?
I still think that's second. The yellow one went super high.
That one's really good.
This might be a new leader.
It's dangerous. Wish I had safety goggles. Watch out.
Okay.
That is definitely in.
First?
Yep. Wouldn't you say?
I think so.
Far first. Now this one is. Ready?
Yep.
Wow.
Not bad.
That's actually surprisingly good.
I'd say third or fourth.
Right there.
Yeah.
Now this one. Now this one.
Yep.
Are usually.
Usually not that good.
So.
Let's see.
See how it does.
Oh boy. Oh,
Right back to P last.
easily last place.
Now here's the Power Ranger.
Yep.
I want the Power Ranger because it has power. Let's use land first.
No. I say second.
Because that ball one is actually...
It's pretty close though at the top. Not a lot of difference.
This one is
Yeah.
a little blue. This is really good for aim.
Yeah.
It won on the aim.
Yeah.
So is the line.
Okay.
It's done better than it done before. We'll put it back in there. Alright. If you're wondering how you get this out, you push that down.
Reload.
This holds 10 in there, as you can see. 10. It can hold 11 sometimes, but...
Don't want to squish them into it. Oh, yeah. Don't want to jam.
Yeah, it gets jammed and you put too much. Right, here come my big babies. Ready?
Yep. Whoa. Uh-oh. Oh. It's alright. They'll come.
That's easily it.
I would know. Second. Maybe even first. That was close.
What?
Okay.
The hyper may actually lose to this.
We'll see.
Make sure to get that one. That one is, of course. Ready?
Yep.
Safety.
Okay.
Oh my god. You see it?
Okay. Well, that one's like twice as far as the others.
Wow!
So
Make sure to get the hyper.
first.
The Nerf hyper. Second.
New one, second, third,
Third,
fourth,
fourth,
fifth,
fifth, sixth,
sixth.
seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 14th.
Cool.
Make sure you like and subscribe and
We do some more cool videos,
yeah. And
including a water gun distance test.
yeah, right.
All right. See ya.